Hola! Traveling Karina here with another room tour at the Grand Muthu Cayo Guillermo Hotel in Cuba. This time I'm going to give you a tour of a junior suite. The junior suite that I'm about to show you is in building 1B, which is right off the lobby. It's close to the kids' splash area, the lobby, and also close to the main pools. Before I give you a tour of the room, I want to give a special thank you to my new friends Janet and Graham. The room that you're about to see is the junior suite that they stayed in during their week of vacation, and they allowed me to come in to take videos so that I could share it with you. And here it is, room 1226, a junior suite. Beautiful room with a beautiful view. The main differences between a junior suite and a regular standard room at the Grand Muthu is that you get a bathtub in your washroom, you get extra bathroom accessories, including a bathrobe and slippers. You also get the see-through window panel between the bathroom and bedroom, and then there is an extra seating area in the main room. And then right here, you will see the closet, which has hanging capabilities and storage for your clothes, and there is also a safe. And then right beside it is the coffee maker and fridge.